Namaste friends, welcome to the Law of Spiritual Science Part 5. Veda has 4 parts: Sangita, Brahmana, Aranyaka and Bhashya. The Vedas end with the Upanishads and hence it is called Vedanta. In the Aranyaka comes the Upanishad section. The text which the sage contemplates are called Aranyaka. Those living in bungalows and luxury have no right in the Upanishads. Creatures trapped in a world like our lives cannot digest the knowledge of the Upanishads. After considering all these things, Lord Vyasji has composed the Srimad Bhagavat Shastra. The path described by the Upanishads is not accessible to its kind. The Upanishads refer to renunciation. How will they be able to give up materialism, anger, greed, etc.? Those who cannot give up smoking and drinking. Those who live luxury life will not be able to practice yoga. If a voluptuous become a yogi, he will become patient. One who falls in the path of Gyan Marg becomes an atheist. One who falls in the yoga path becomes a patient. One who falls on the path of devotion becomes unamid. Kali-yogi man cannot practice yoga. This Bhagavata scripture has been composed for the salvation of the Kali Yuga. A new guidance has been provided in Srimad Bhagavata. We cannot leave home and business. The Bhagavata Shastra says, do not be discouraged. There is no need to leave everything and go to the forest. It is not that only going to the forest brings pleasure. When human leaves all kinds of tendencies and sits in meditation, even then the virus thoughts come to mind. The ideal of Sri Bhagavata Shastra is divine. The gopis did not leave the house. Gopis used to do household work. They did not give up their devier. She did not go into the forest. Even then she has been able to attain Sri Bhagavan. Sri Bhagavat Shastra provides such guidance that the happiness that yogis get in Samadhi, you can enjoy the same pleasure, Anand, even while staying at home. You can please God even by staying at home. You can get the divine vision. But each of your behavior should be devotional. Every behavior of the gopis had become devotional. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share this video to encourage me. To read the same topic, click the link in the description. Thank you.